Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel NC Tyrant Hunter. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on March 30th, 2021 in Smithville, North Carolina. The auditor in this video was doing a First Amendment audit of the business Envy Corps, and let's just say the workers at this facility do not like anyone filming them. Someone actually called the Fillings Police on NC Tyrant Hunter, and I kind of feel sorry for the officers that show up because, well, they're just overmatched. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
This company right here respects their right to record in public. Gonna see what happens. And while you're waiting, how about hitting that like button for me so you don't forget? And if you hadn't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But you got to make sure you hit the notification bell so you get all notifications. So when I do lives and upload a new video. Making sure they don't mess with us.
What do you mean?
Making sure they don't mess with us.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
Stay.
You.
You?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Why?
Because I can.
Because you can.
Absolutely.
What's your objective at the end of it?
It's making sure they respect their right to record, man.
To record what?
You.
Why?
Because I can.
Why?
Why what?
Why are you posting up at my job recording? Why?
Because I can.
And that's it? That's all it is to it?
That's it.
You have some enemies or something up here you're trying to protect?
Nope.
Have a good day.
Looks like it might be shift change here. Got a lot of employees coming out the door. Looks like shift change. I don't know that it is, but from the looks of it, that's what's happening right now. Anybody read lips? I think it's one guy just walked back in probably to tell on us. That's cool.
How you guys doing?
Living a dream.
We got a call about y'all videotaping people.
Yep.
Can I ask why?
Yep.
Can I ask why?
You can.
Are you gonna tell me?
Nope.
Okay. You ain't got no idea on you, do you?
I sure do.
Can I have it, please?
Nope.
Okay. This is one of the First Amendment audit things?
It might be.
Might be. All right. Well, I mean, ain't nothing illegal about videotaping people, so.
That's absolutely right.
All right.
10-4. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Yeah.
That's
hard to see down there, ain't it?
1164. 93 Central. I have a 1028.
So running my tag gonna tell you what's going on?
1160. My name is Officer Siddig. My badge number is 1272.
Sittage?
Siddig.
Siddig.
Yeah, S-I-T-T-I-G.
I got you.
1272.
1272.
Y'all have a good
I
day.
got a question.
Yeah.
How come there's a gate here? Because this is public all the way down. And I asked the guy who come out and talked to me, and he said he didn't know. It's just kind of strange that they could close off a public road like this.
I'm not sure. I think at some point in time this may turn into private property. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I just thought.
Because some you know, being state maintained, and then at some point in time they transition into like a dirt road. So I couldn't answer
Now I
that.
got one more question.
since you're a policeman, do you understand that the property line never comes to the road? That they don't own all the way to the road? It's always an easement on each side.
Yeah, I don't. You'd have to look at. I'd have
I've
to
got the
probably
maps and stuff.
get survey
Every place
maps
I
and all
go,
kinds of
they
shit.
never come to the road.
Do I now?
The property never comes to the road that they own. It's very rare that the road attaches to their property. Usually there's an easement on each side, and that's what creates a lot of problems with.
Yeah, I couldn't answer that. I know on my property, if you pull the maps and everything, technically, my land goes to the middle of the road. I mean, I don't own the road.
Name and badge number?
Do what?
Name and badge number. Pudding Tang.
Okay, is that your real name or your fake?
Yeah, that's my Pudding Tang.
Audit thing.
Yeah, so you gonna give me your name?
understand that we got called?
You gonna give me your name and badge number or not?
Yours too. You understand that?
Yeah, I'm not giving you nothing. No, I'm not. Make me give it to you.
Okay.
How about that?
How far you want to push it? How far you want to push it? Ain't doing nothing.
Thank you. See, this officer here thinks he's gonna do something illegal.
No, I didn't say you were.
Yes, yes. You gonna give your ID? Yeah, yeah. I'm not. Yeah, you're not getting it. If I'm not breaking the law, you're not getting nothing from
You got
me,
any more questions for
Big
me?
Daddy. Here's all cocky, getting out of his car, talking about you gonna give it to me.
I know it doesn't go to the center road.
You a joke,
But
big
I
joke.
don't know. Like I said, so
Pause.
I have to look at the maps because this may be a property line here. Well, is it a GIS map? Because if you pull up GIS maps, there's a disclaimer on there like, hey, you know, these are not exact. You know, for it to be exact.
So you want to give me some more unlawful orders?
But what you can tell is by the width.
Huh, Hoss? You never gave me your badge number and your name.
It shows the width.
You're gonna fail to identify?
Take a second.
Just call you Tyrant?
Check it out later. But that's all right. Just check it out when you get a chance.
Is it? I mean, what's the reason for the question? Are you asking about because they're saying they're on your property or something? Or you're on their property?
See this guy right here? He's a tyrant.
Well, I've always been taught to never say always.
But
There are exceptions to every rule.
But it's 99.5%. Everything's
There's always exceptions to the rules and all that stuff. So.
You know, the buildings are right.
How far you want to push it?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. All right.
Really.
Oh man, how far you want to push it?
Because I'm all about helping you guys.
Push these nuts.
So that you'll know it.
All right. Well, y'all have a good day.
Right on. Later, Tyrant. You're dismissed.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Can I go home?
I'm talking to Hoss there.
Oh.
The Tyrant.
I thought you were dismissed. I thought that meant I could go home.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and do that too. Take the rest of the day off. See you later, Tyrant. See how fucking arrogant they are? See, I mean, that's what they do, Bo.
And that's not the law.
Huh?
I don't understand how come he don't know that
He don't know that we know. That's the whole thing. He don't know that we know what we're talking about. He asked the other officer, how far you want to push it? What do you mean how far? You want to do something illegal? Go on, push it. F***ing asshole.
Why does it have to be that way?
Because he's a tyrant. That's what we call tyrants right
It
there.
doesn't make any sense.
It don't, but that's what they do, bro. Every freaking county, every state,
They give them a badge and it goes to their head.
Exactly. You know, he knew what was going on. The other one gets out of the car, how far you want to push it? Asking for ID. You're getting shit from me. Oh, you're gonna give me your, yeah. What's your name? My name is Kiss My Ass. He just got the bam, guys. I didn't put it on camera, but he just got the bam. You know he got the bam. This officer right here, the first one to come up, he knows what was going on. This guy right over here, he knew what was going on. Now he's gonna go in there and inform them we're not doing nothing illegal, right? But this damn second one to come out, he's a damn tyrant.
That second cop right there, he got some unwanted education.
Oh, I say he damn sure did. The first one's like, they not doing nothing illegal. He come out of his damn car all with attitude. I could see, I just looked at him and knew he was gonna have a freaking attitude as soon as he got out of his car. You can just see the look on his face, dude. I can spot him in a split second as soon as he get out of the car. Make sure you guys hit the like button. This is Smithfield PD. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. He's telling them now I can't do nothing about them being right there. So this officer right here gets an A+, or actually a B minus, because he did bend down and get my tag. And I know that a lot of people is going to say, why you park so close? Because I'm disabled. That's why. I can't walk but so far.
And we're not worried about...
No, I'm not worried about them knowing who I am. I'm legal. I got a license. I got insurance. I'm not sweating to get my tag. They can run my tag 41170 times. It don't make no, and I guarantee you it has. I guarantee you. It's been run. It's been run many times. There he goes, guys. These guys right here, they come out to see what was going on. Now they got an education on the First Amendment. He just hollered something. I couldn't hear what he said.
I think he said.
Genius.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out NC Tyrant Hunter's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.